And so for anyone to say that 68 women were raped in Olkalau by police officers and that it has not been investigated and that they have not reported to any police station, that is really serious. And for him to go further now to perpetuate his lie that those 68 women were treated in private hospitals and released to go home, I would like to ask all those private doctors in private hospitals who purportedly treated 68 people to report all those cases to DCI and to the necessary institutions, if not DCI to IPOA, if not IPOA to Kenya National Human Rights Commission, so that we can take any person who has committed any crime to task. And if not, those who are making those reckless statements must be held into account, not just by the police, but by the people of Kenya. Not just by people of Kenya, by media houses. It is shameless that media houses can sit there knowing that somebody has lied, using our women and our daughters and our sisters to do cheap politics, and the media houses just allow them to go scot-free and report happily about things that we know that it is absolute lie. I want to say that we respect the DCI's office and we believe that he is doing the job that he is supposed to do.